Good morning students. Now today we are going to start our fourth lecture of chapter number 2, that is units and measurement. Now in our previous video we have discussed about the parallax method for the measurement of the large distance. Now as I told you that today we are going to solve some of the type of the numericals so that you are able to understand how we can apply the things. Okay. So here I am writing the first numerical. So the first numerical is like this: calculate the angle of different things are there beta. First, for the 1 degree, this is a degree. Okay, clear? Second, you are going to calculate for the 1 minute. This 1 dash is for the minute. This is a minute of arc, or even you can just be say it arc minute. Clear? Next one is for the second. Double dash means this is for the second of arc, or you can say beta arc second in the radian, because these all are the plane angles in the radians. There is a hint is also be given in the question that you may use, that you know it very well. I hope that 360 degree means 2 pi radian. This is the angle, plane angle. Okay, 1 degree means 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to, you know it very well, 60 seconds. Clear? So first the denotions you may remember that this is for the degree, this 1 dash for the minute, and this is for the second. Clear? 360 degree contains 2 pi radian, 1 degree equals 60 second, and 1 second equals 1 degree equals 60 minute, and 1 minute is equal 60 second. This is your numerical. Now we are going to solve this numerical. So it's an easy numerical is this beta. Just take a look how you have to be apply all these values. So for the first solution, we have a hint that yes, 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian. We know as well, it is given in the question. Now for calculating it for the 1 degree, because first thing is for calculating for the 1 degree. So 1 degree means 2 pi upon 360. So here 2 pi upon 360 radian. So it will become beta pi upon 180 radian. And when you going to solve this divide means 3.14, you have take the value of pi as 3.14, 22 upon 7. You get the value 1.745 10 to the power minus 2 radian. This I have solved already. Even you may solve it by your own. Just try it once. Clear? So here the first we have calculated. This is the answer of the A portion of this numerical for the 1 degree. It means in a 1 degree 1.745 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian present. Okay. Now second, which we are going to solve for the 1 minute. So we know in a 1 degree 60 minutes are there. So the value of 1 degree is given already, we have calculated. So that is 1.745 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. Isn't it beta? But what we have to be calculate in the question? We have to be calculate for the 1 minute. This is for the 60 minute. It means for 1 minute we have to be divide 1.745 10 to the power minus 2 by 60. And when you have do so, you get the value 2.908 into 10 to the power minus 4 radian, or in the approximate form when you round it out, the round figure, so it's the value of 8 is greater than 5, so it will become 2.91 into 10 to the power minus 4 radian. Clear beta? Okay, so this is the answer, the second one answer for the 1 minute. Now third one which we are going to solve it out is for the 1 second. So for 1 second, first of all, again 1 minute is equals to 60 second, and that value we have calculated for the second one, that is 2.908 into 10 to the power minus 4 radian. Now you know beta, for calculating for the 1 second, it means this value of 1 minute 2.908 10 to the power minus 4 is divided by 60. Then we get the value, and the value is your 4.847 10 to the power minus 4 radian, and in the approximation when you calculate it out, the value 7 is after the 4, value 7 is greater than 5, so it will round it out. So round figure is 4.85 10 to the power minus 6 radian, and this is the answer for the third of 1 second. Clear? So what you have to do beta? Nothing, just apply the formula, just remember the concept. Okay, these are the concept. Even such type of the question has been asked by you in your competition exam, because such a easy level question is there, but students are not getting it out, and they are just forgot how to utilize the formula, and even you know it, these formulas from your 10th standard as well. Clear? Okay, get my point beta? Moving ahead, shall we solve the next question? Okay, now for the next numerical, have a look of the next numerical beta. Just here I am directly write down the values, you have to solve it out, then you write down the value, then only you are just have an interest in the physics portion of the numerical questions. Okay, next one is, next numerical number 2 is that the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on earth. Now the angle theta, the angle theta subtended at the moon by the two directions of observation is 1 degree and 54 seconds, sorry minutes, 1 degree 54 minute. So given the diameter of the earth to be about 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. The diameter of the earth is already given in the question beta. So what we have to compute? We have to compute the distance of the moon from the earth. Okay. So what is given in the question beta? The moon, we are observing the moon from the earth. So the moon has been observed from the two diametrically opposite point, as we have discussed in our previous video in the parallax method, from the point A and B on the earth. Means we are observing the moon from the earth at two different points, and the angle subtended by these two directions has been theta degree. Okay, and the observation is 1 degree and 54 minute. So now the diameter of the earth has been given, that is 1.276 10 to the power 7 meter. We have to compute the distance of the moon from the earth. Okay, so what we have to compute? We have to compute the value of d. What is d? D beta, the distance, yesterday we have discussed about this. D is equals to basis upon angle, b upon theta. Okay, arc upon angle beta. So here we have to be calculate the value. Just have a look. First of all, in the solution, we have the value of a theta which is given in the question. This is the value of theta, 1 degree and 54 minutes. So 1 degree and 54 minute. Clear? Okay. So this value is half in the degree and another in the minute. So what we have to do? We know that the previous question right now we have solved that in a 1 degree 60 seconds is there. So 60 seconds in a 1 degree and above 54 seconds, 60 plus 54, it will become 114 minute. Okay, in a 1 degree 60 minute, here 54 minutes, so it will become 114 minutes. Now we know that 114 minutes in a 60 seconds we have to be calculate, and right now we have calculate the value that in a 1 second there is 4.85 10 to the power minus 6 radian is there, because the value of the theta has to be calculated in the form of radian. Okay, so this value that you have to be remember as well beta, the values. Okay, so the value of in a 1 second, the value is 4.85 10 to the power minus 6 radian, because the previous question we have this solved for the radian only. So the value of angle you have get 3.32 10 to the power minus 2 radian. Always remember the plane angle should be solved in the radian. Okay, here I am writing the values that we know that 1 second is equals to 4 point approximate, okay, 4.85 10 to the power minus 6 radian. This we have used. Clear? Okay, now the value is given AB distance. Okay, so AB distance is given, this is, so also the base is B, AB is equals to 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. Now we have the formula beta, we have to utilize the formula. Okay, so the formula is, what is the formula? The distance is equals to basis upon angle, and here the basis is 1.276 10 to the power 7 divided by 3.32 10 to the power minus 2. This you have to be going to solve it out and calculate the value. This solution is completely depends upon your solution. I am not solving it out, and the solution, final solution which you have get, that was your answer. Clear? Okay beta. Okay, any doubt? So it's an easy question is this. Now one numerical I am giving you for your homework. Try it once at your home. Okay beta. So one numerical I am giving you for your home beta. So you have to be solve it out, that the sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 second. Okay, means 1920 second. Now the distance D of the sun from the earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Then what is the diameter of the sun? You have to be calculate the diameter of the sun. This is the numerical. Okay, so first what you have to do beta, you have to be calculate this value of 1920 second into radian. Simply you have to be, this is already the value is given in the second. In our previous question the value is given in degree and minutes, then we are multiplying them the values for converting them in a second, but this value is already in a second, so simply you have to be multiply this value with the value 4.85 10 to the power minus 6 to convert into the radian. Okay, now the value for this is d is equals to alpha d. So alpha you have already calculated this angle and the d value is already given. So you may calculate the value of diameter. Diameter here beta means basis, means here it was telling about the basis beta, the small d, sorry, the small d distance you have to be calculate. Okay, clear? Now from next lecture we are going to be check the another topic. The large distance we have calculated through the parallax method and some of the numerical we have solved it out. Now for the very small distance we are going to be solved. Okay, studied about the very small distances. Clear? Okay beta, thank you, that's all for today.